everyone, I'm Elena. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do the May latest in beauty unboxing. So I will be a little bit honest, I had this box with me for a little over a week. I've just been quite busy recently and I haven't had time to actually film the video. And if you do follow me or subscribe to my channel because of my latest in beauty unboxings, you will have noticed that I have kind of skipped April unboxing. I've done it as a short, and that's because recently I have been quite busy, so I've done it that way. But what I'll do in this video is talk about the April box a little bit, and then I will unbox this one. I'm going to skip all the information about latest in beauty. I will leave some information in the description box in case you are new to latest in beauty. You maybe stumbled upon this video just wanting to see what latest in beauty is all about. There will be information in the description box, and if you have any other questions you could either go to their website, there will be a link there, or just put them in the comments and I'll answer what I know. Okay, so in April I have chosen this fragrance mist from Aromatherapy Associates. It is the Forest Therapy Wellness Mist and it is lovely. Oh, lovely. I really like this one. Very happy with that one. Then I have picked these charcoal face masks. The 2 sachets counted as one item. As you can see, I haven't used them yet, but I have another charcoal face mask which I'm using at the minute. Once that's finished, I'm going to start these ones. I also picked the Inika Loose Mineral Eyeshadow. This is in shade Peach Fetish. And this is what it looks like. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. Now we'll zoom you in a little bit. It's just on my eyelid, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better there. It's really pretty. I'm really enjoying this color. Last time I have also picked this one is from Selfless by Hiram, the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. So far so good. It works alright so far. I can't tell whether it makes a huge difference because I haven't been that great with applying my skincare lately either. And then other than that, I had the Miss Patisserie Fizz Float, which is now finished. We got maybe 4 baths out of it. You can get more or you can get less depending on how you break it. And it was very fragrant, really nice fragrance as well. And then other than that, I had the Beauty Pro Retinol Under Eye Patch, which I completely forgot about. I think I used it, but it must not have been anything to write home about. It must have been just okay. Alright, so these are my May picks. Now take all of these out. Oh. So the first stick that I picked is this one, which is the Hall of Fame. This is from Gatineau and it is the Radiance Enhancing Enzymatic Gommage. So it's basically like an exfoliator. It says apply once or twice a week to dry skin, massage for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid, rinse with water. It has enzymes, AHA and vitamin C, so it is sounding really good. I think I had something else from Gatineau. I must have had like a small sample, so feel unique, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, excited to try this one. Then I picked from OK the Anti-Jet Lag Sheet Mask. I picked this one previously. I've used it. I think I picked it in March. I've used it and I've really enjoyed it. So I got another one. The main reason why I got this one is because I struggled a little bit on what to pick for my last item. Maybe I should have left it for last, but oh well. But I have enjoyed it previously, and it's nice to have a sheet mask now and again. I mean, don't get me wrong, the choice was there. I was just looking for things that I knew I didn't have too many of, that I knew I would get to try soon enough. So there was plenty of choice. So that was not a problem. The problem was what I have in my collection already. And you know, I'm trying to pick things that I'm actually going to use quite quickly rather than them sitting in the cupboard for months. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. I have 2 items from Darfin. I think that's how you pronounce it because it's a French company. So the first one is this toner with chamomile. I'm not too big on toners, but I don't have too many, so I am willing to try them. This one's got a very subtle scent but very nice. So there's the toner. And then I've got the aromatic cleansing balm. You only get, how much do you get? 5 ml in here. It's looking very cute. And that's what a balm looks like. I was expecting that to be a lot more stronger smelling, but I'm actually pleased to say it's not that strong smelling. So I'm very excited to use this one too. Then from Inika I got the Loose Mineral Bronzer. When I picked the eyeshadow I thought maybe I should pick the bronzer as well, but I was in two minds about it. But I picked the bronzer this time. It's already a little bit messy inside. So there's a swatch of it. It looks very light for my skin tone, but it might actually work quite well. I will let you know next time how the bronzer works. Maybe I'll have a picture for you. And the last item in here is from Rimmel London, the Scandaleyes Reloaded Mascara. It has extreme volume and wear, easy removal. Oh, very good if it has easy removal. Okay, that's the wand. I'm curious to see how this one works. I don't think I've tried a mascara from Rimmel before. So this will be a first for me. Maybe I'll do a video on it, like a separate video on it. We'll see, depending on how recent this product is. And as usual, there is a freebie in here. There are two freebies actually in here this time. And first is from Cetaphil, the Daily Defense Moisturizer. They used to give this out months in a row. So I think I have already tried 9 of these little samples, because they did 3 of these 1 month and then another 3 and then another 3. I'm actually very pleased to have another one of these. I really enjoy these ones, especially now that it's getting warmer. They suit my skin a lot more now. And then the other freebie is this tea bag, which has green tea, spearmint and peppermint. This we had last time as well. Yeah, it made a really nice cup of tea. I do like my green and mint teas, so I'm very happy. So here is my May box, the things that I picked in the month of May. If you also get latest in beauty, let me know in the comments what you picked in May. I'm also really looking forward to June. It looks like there's gonna be quite a bit of makeup in there, which I'm very excited about. So I'm really looking forward to June and making my choices in June. If you want to stick around for my June unboxing and see what I thought of the items in this box, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you know when I upload my latest in beauty unboxings. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps me out. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!